Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Ooh, the first video in the new office I made. I'm excited about it, okay? It's coming along. It's not done yet. She's going to get even better. Just wait on it. But that's what we're here for. I'm here to show y'all these Farfetch pieces. These luxury pieces under $300 that I know y'all are gonna love. Spring is here, summer's on her way, so look, we gotta be prepared, okay? But we can't spend all the money on the pieces and then have no funds to go have fun, to actually go on the vacation. So I'm gonna show y'all some pieces that I found for under $300 that still hit, still give you the luxury quality feel, the designer name, just for the love. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you never miss an upload, okay? And also follow me over on Instagram and TikTok, all the things. So let's get into these pieces. Let's start out with a bag that I showed you guys already on my Instagram and also on my vlog if you watch the vlog. This bag, too cute. Let's just, how cute is this? Like, come on now. If you know me, you know I'm not a pink girl. So this subtle pink just gives everything it needs to give, especially for the springtime. I wanted to add a pop of color to my bag collection, but nothing that I feel like I would wear once and never reach for again. This is by the brand Chiara Ferracci. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's just absolutely stunning. My favorite little detail is the top handle right here. If you can see, she kind of thick, so it can fit so much in here. I had my phone, my hand sanitizer, the touchline one, so it's kind of like flat and wide. I had my little mini fan in here, my wallet. What else did I have? My lip combo. I had so much stuff in here, y'all, and it still managed to, oh, and I put my camera in here too, and it still managed to close. The top handle is everything. The quality of it, the smooth leather is just chef's kiss. And another plus, it comes in tons of cute colors. So if you're looking for a Jody shape, like a Bottega Jody shape, but you don't want to spend the $3K, I mean, if you want the look, here we are. As y'all know, when the weather starts to get nice, it's bus, club, another club, brunch, day party, mimosas, club. Like, that's just what it is. A lot of my bags I can dress up and down. I don't have anything that, say if I need to go to like a gala tomorrow, I don't have nothing for that. So I picked up this beautiful bag. This little gold baby is from the Moray, I think that's how you say it. Here's how you pronounce it, and it's made out of vegan fabric. And this is actually a card holder that comes with the bag. I love this like pebble gold brush kind of leather that they use. It's absolutely beautiful. It gives a little interest, a little texture. And while it is small, I feel like it can fit all of my little essentials and stuff. Let's see if my phone can fit. I have the iPhone 13 Pro, not the Max. If you got the Max, baby, I feel like you just need to carry around a book bag because that thing is huge. Ooh, I just kind of jimmied it up in there, and it does close. And you can't really tell that it's in there, but I feel like it's gonna be kind of hard getting it in and out. Also, when I saw this, vacation dinner kind of popped up in my head, like a cute gown or something, and then you have this little beautiful clutch. Oof, yes. Like I said before, I wanted to start to add a little bit of pop of color to my bag collection because I have all the basics. I'm done with those. I'm ready to have some fun. So look at, y'all know my favorite color, green, right? So this immediately screamed at me, and I was like, ads card, thank you so much, because ooh, I just needed it. Like, come on now. If you see me out multiple times this summer and I got this bag on every single time, just mind your business, okay? Just mind your business. Just be happy for me because I am so in love with this. It's by the brand Louis Joe. Here's a little close-up of the bag. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if my phone fit. It's so cute on the inside. I never looked. It's pink on the inside. If you can see, my phone is just kind of laying on the side, and look at all the rest of that space in there. So you can actually fit quite a bit of stuff in here. That's what I'm saying. I like small bags that are kind of like wider because you can fit so much in it and still keep the small silhouette. Yes, I'm gonna show y'all my favorite part about this bag. So you can carry it like this, cute little classy vibe, a little frolic in the springtime cutie bag, or you can add the thick strap and give them like a nice more casual vibe, a little more sporty. I feel like that's what a thick strap does. It gives it a more laid back appearance. You just hook it on the side like that, and then it just hangs down. I always feel like when you add a hanging strap or like a crossbody strap to your top handle bag, it just adds a element of like Okay, this is more laid back, this is more casual, a little more edgy. I just live for it. A more relaxed feel is kind of what I'm saying. Next up, we have this little tote bag from Ganni. The colors on this just screamed vacation. It screamed springtime. The little ruffles on the side definitely scream vacation in a tropic place, you know, laid out at the pool, looking cute on the beach, wherever you want to tan at. In the teeny kini, okay? You got to be in the teeny kini. I'm not gonna lie, when I took this out the bag, I was like, not this little flimsy thing, but catch my drift here. You can fold it so flat in your suitcase. If you're an overpacker like me, this is something that you should actually appreciate. But really, look how big it is. Like, it's kind of crochet. You know, crochet stretches a little bit. So the more that you put stuff in it and the more that it's kind of like weighed down, it's really going to start to like grab this like nice, relaxed, boho, slouchy shape, and I feel like, oh, it's gonna be so cute. When I was ordering this, I saw that they had like a matching I think a bikini, a hat, a little shirt. Like, they have this print in so many things. So even if you like the print and you don't necessarily need any more bags, y'all, they have a cute little bucket hat that I was thinking about getting to match the bag. I still might get it. They also have like a little top. Like, oh, y'all, Ganni is really doing it. They have been hitting with the pieces. Come on now, let's talk about it. And it's not too big either, because I don't really carry a lot of things, so I don't want it to be humongous. Here's a little close-up so y'all can see the knit is such high quality, and the color combo just gives it to me. This just automatically gave me, I'm trying to book a flight, let's go on vacation right now. This next bag, I have nothing like this. This is a statement piece, but like statement piece is so just not the word for it. Like, it barely describes it, okay? This gorgeous thing is by Kake. Somebody said it looked like a bar of soap. Baby, this is the most fashionable bar of soap I've ever carried in my life. Okay, let's get into the details, let alone the color. Like, the color is just absolutely stunning, but the details are really what carry it for me. Basically, you open it like this, you just push this and it cracks open. Here's what the inside looks like. Now, I already knew it wasn't gonna be a ton of space, but baby, that's not what I bought this for. Okay, I got this because it's cute. But my phone actually fits inside, and then I can also have like my wallet and maybe even my little mini fan. I feel like Kake is known for their like little statement bags, so if you are looking for a statement bag, I definitely recommend Kake for sure. All right, the next one is a summer staple. Okay, you need a bag like this in your collection. I mean, hello. This is too cute. I could wear it with my dress that I'm wearing right now. It's like this braided rattan material, so it gives you the summer vacation, lunch, brunch, all those type of vibes. It gives you that like kind of modern feel because of the shape and the structure and everything, and then you also have some smooth leather on the side. This is by the brand Staud. If you've never heard of them, they to me make like very clean, classy, modern, but still fun pieces. This is the brand right here on the dust bag. That's why I love shopping luxury lows. That's pretty much what I call these, like luxury that's attainable because of the price point, right? But you still get all the perks. Like, you get a dust bag, you get the quality, you get the look, this, you know, just everything about it, but it don't break the pocket. And it also has a little zipper pocket in there too, if you could see, you know, just to hold your cards and stuff like that. I love me a good top handle, right? It's just the cutest way to carry a bag. I don't know what it is, but they also give you a crossbody option. You know, if you want to do hands-free, if you want to still be cute but you want to just throw it over, they got you. This silhouette actually reminds me of a Caperni bag, so if you don't want to spend the Caperni coin, check out Staud. Okay, they have the same kind of rounded, kind of moon shaped bag, and they also have some really fun colors too. I just chose to get this material, but I saw like a pastel purple, which is really trendy, a beautiful blue, like a peachy color like the Kake bag that I just showed you. They have some really cute ones. Okay, so head over there, okay? Don't play. This next one is super fun. Okay, look how gorgeous, like all of the beautiful like green and blue French. This colorway just gave me like ocean vibes. I want to be on the beach in my bag just flowing in the wind, and the fringes just, you know, like. And this is also handmade as well, which I absolutely love that. And then you also have this like netted piece with a little pouch on the inside for all of your things. As soon as I saw this, I knew I would just be like on somebody's beach frolicking with the bag, just flowing in the wind on the Amalfi Coast, shopping around, all of my cute little essentials in the bag. And this is the stunner of the outfit. Like, come on now, it just gives overseas. Like, it doesn't give nothing about the United States. Okay, we going international vacations with this one. This is definitely one of those unique bags that I feel like you're not going to find a lot of places. And also I feel like it could be a conversation starter, because I feel like if I saw somebody with this, I'd be like, girl, where'd you get that from? Because I need one. This is telling me that I need to be in Ibiza, Greece, something along those lines. I need to book a trip ASAP. I don't know what it is, but I've been loving a good edgy piece. So I'm trying to figure out how to transition edgy into the summertime, because y'all know edgy, to me it gives like leather, black, kind of like cool cuts and things like that. Y'all know I've been loving Margiela. This is a Margiela piece. Rude, do you not like Margiela? Get into this bag. Oh my god, it's so different, something that you just do not see, and that is what caught my eye. This is part of their MM6 collection, and it is just a leather triangle tote, which I think is such the cutest little shape ever. I feel like you want shopping around with the girls, or even just running a bunch of errands and you want something kind of edgy to carry around. Y'all know I go to New York a lot, so I kind of like to add on my little edge when I go to New York, and I feel like this, just walking around with all of my little essentials in it, and I'm just carrying this as like a big slouchy comfy tote. This is the vibe, okay? This thing is huge, but it's very, very lightweight. You can carry it like this, or put your arm through and carry it like that. This really gives me like if Kylie was running errands, because y'all know Kylie, she has a very like young, edgy style. I love her like running errands style. She always has like the coolest little pieces. I feel like if she was running errands and she needed to carry a bunch of stuff, this is something that she would have. I actually want to add like a silver pendant or something on here somewhere, like a little chrome hearts pendant. This could also be your airport bag when you went on vacation. Throw all of your stuff up in here, throw it on your shoulder, and you could be nice and hands-free. Also, I feel like this is another conversation starter. I feel like a lot of Margiela bags are conversation starters. I was in a store and I had my bag that I just got in New York from Margiela, and this lady was like, where did you get that? Oh my gosh, it's stunning. I've never seen anything like they just have such unique pieces that it's kind of like, you gotta get it. Like, you might as well. Also forgot to mention, this one is a little bit over our budget that we discussed, you know, $300 and under. But I feel like if you find a staple bag that you know you can wear all year round, multi-use, you can use it for so many different things, it can fit a lot of things, it's versatile, it's worth that extra little coin. If y'all want to see how I styled these, definitely stay tuned on my other platforms. I already styled the Chiara one, the first one that I showed y'all, so check that photo out. Give it a little like, a little comment. Really quick before we go, let's talk about shipping, because a lot of people ask me how Farfetch shipping works. So they do source from different boutiques all over the world. So some of your pieces may come in one at a time because they're coming from all over the world, and that's how they are able to have a lot of the pieces that, say if you just go to one particular website, they're only going to have this season's collection. Farfetch has everything. Farfetch has been coming in clutch for me for a long time, okay? 9 times out of 10, if I'm looking for something, Farfetch already has it. I'll leave some links below so y'all can shop along with the code, so you can save 10% off of your first order using code Kaila. And once again, thank you to Farfetch for partnering with me on this video so I can show you guys these bomb pieces for the spring and summertime. And the accessories are everything, so that's why I started with handbags. If y'all want me to do another video like this, let your girl know. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite piece down below and how you would style it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.